In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to code using Claude to create code faster and with less effort. First, go to the Claude website and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free using your email or Google account. Once you are inside, you will see the chat area where you can type what you want to create. To start coding, simply write a clear request, such as creating a simple website, building a calculator, or generating a basic app. The more specific your request is, the better the generated code will be. For example, you can ask Claude to create an HTML website, a Python script, or even a full React project. After the code is generated, you can copy and paste it into your editor, such as VS Code, Replit, or another development environment. If you need to modify any part of the code, you can ask Claude to adjust, fix errors, or add new features. You can also ask for explanations to better understand how the code works. This is very helpful for beginners or anyone who wants to build projects faster. Claude can be used to create websites, apps, automations, and many other types of projects. And that's it! Now you know how to code using Claude quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.